Kitchen sinks form an important part of any household. Let's get to know a little about history of the kitchen sinks. The history of kitchen sinks goes back by almost 150 years. Kitchen sinks started as bowl rested on tabletops. Over time, the tabletops were cut and the kitchen sinks were sunk into the cavity to create dry sinks. What started as a basic units made out of wood, stone or iron has now evolved through improved manufacturing and value engineering. There are many number of aspects to consider when we purchase a modern stainless steel kitchen sink. They are as follows. Grade. The most popular choice is stainless steel grade 304. Thickness. 0.8 mm and 1 mm thickness stainless steel is most widely used. Some designs also have 1.2 mm thickness. Scratch resistance. Stainless steel is prone to get scratches. It needs to be hardened to ensure that any scratches from knife, nail, etc. are not visible. Sound resistance. As the sink is an enclosed area, dripping water can create a humming sound in the sink. Sizes. Most common sizes available are 18 inches by 24 inches, 32 inches by 20 inches and 20 inches by 40 inches. The standard depth of the sinks is 8 inches, though up to 10 inches depth options are also available.